Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and thanks for joining me. Today we are back with a fun food craft, showing you how to make these delicious stained glass star Christmas cookies. This elegant snack is the perfect addition to your dollhouse kitchen this festive season. Enjoy an afternoon of crafting, transforming readily available household materials into these sweet treats. Our dolls love cookies, so let's get making. Use the paperboard from a recycled cereal box, preferably one with a white core. To make the cookies, you'll need 2 punches. We used a large star punch for the cookie base and a smaller petal punch for the inside window. Begin by punching out your smaller shape, leaving a large gap between each on the paperboard. Align the bigger punch over top to make a template for the star cookie. Place the template on your paperboard, matching up the punched window holes. In pencil, lightly trace the top tip of the star and the bottom valley to guide the placement of your punch for the rest of the star cookies. This way, the windows will match up for all the shapes punched. You will need 6 paperboard punched shapes per cookie. You also need a solid star punch from plastic packaging. Glue together 3 cutouts for the front of the cookie and 3 cutouts for the back of the cookie. Continue to punch, stack and glue as many paperboard stars as you would like cookies. Next, mix 1 part ochre with 3 parts white paint for a soft cookie color. Paint the front of the cookie, ensuring you get good coverage with the paint on the inside edge of the cutout window. Generously paint the outside edges to mask the layers of paperboard. Remember the petal punches from earlier? Keep them, and we can turn these into their own mini cookies. Stack and glue 6 cutouts together, then paint the same cookie color. When the base coat is dry, add a top layer of light blue paint, leaving a small perimeter of cookie color showing. Next, apply a thin layer of gloss Mod Podge, then sprinkle over some white iridescent glitter. In doll scale, glitter always looks like crystals of sugar. Tap off any excess, and you now have a plate of mini frosted snowflake cookies. Switching back to our stained glass cookies, we are going to use markers in blue, red and pink to color the center of our plastic packaging. Flip over and color the back of the packaging too to make the marker as opaque as possible. Adhere your plastic star to the wrong side of the cookie and sandwich it between the other set of cutouts. If you'd like, you can create a frosting design to the front of the cookie using white paint. Now take Dimensional Magic or Gloss Mod Podge and add drops of the product to the plastic window. When it sets, it will create the raised look of melted candy, just like those seen in stained glass window cookies. Here you can see the effect better against a white paper background. Make lots and lots of cookies so all your dolls can enjoy this sweet treat. These cookies are so quick and easy to make, and since they're DIY'd, you can switch out the punch shapes to make your cookies match all the different seasons. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!